Hello beautiful cook. I've got red hands from peeling beetroot. Today we're doing beetroot raita from the cook along series of Beats Cuisine cookbook. I'm just going to add some olive oil, or you can use macadamia oil or other nut oil or avocado oil. And then I'm going to put a teaspoon of cumin seeds in. Just pop those in. Give them a little stir. And then I've grated the beetroot, and then that's going to go straight in as well. So raita is a fabulous condiment for curries with rice. Love having raita with rice and curries, and you can actually make a yogurt out of cashews, but I've bought the coconut yogurt that we have here in Australia. We have an Australian company called Koyo. They do bring the coconut from Thailand, so it's not completely local. So one day I will show you how to make a cashew yogurt. So you're just wilting this a little bit. And while we're here, I just want to talk about beetroot. Beetroot is brilliant. It's full of iron. It's got it has that beautiful colour, so it's got plenty of beta-carotene, so it's great for eye health as well. And this just is like if you have an Indian banquet, if you cook all the curries that I've done in the last few weeks and then have the raita as well, it just adds the icing to the cake it just looks so beautiful. So that's all it takes, and I've got the coconut yogurt in here, and then I'm just going to add in the beetroot. And ideally you would like the beetroot to cool down a little bit, but we don't have that luxury when we're on film. And so I'm just going to stir that in like that. Should watch what I'm doing, otherwise I'm going to have beetroot everywhere. Stir it all in, and look at that gorgeous colour. And I remember the first time I made it on retreat, and this man came up to me and said, "Oh my God, that pink thing, that was delicious." And I said, "What, the raita?" And he goes, "I don't know what it was called, it was delicious." So I said, "What did you put it on?" And he said, "I put it on my curry, my salad, and my dessert." Isn't that funny? So if you don't want it that dark in colour, just do half a beetroot. Enjoy! Hello wonderful cook, I hope you enjoyed that recipe. I would love it if you wrote a comment. I love receiving comments, and I'll always reply. Also, please like and subscribe. And if you look below, there's a link to sign up for my free iron rich ebook and weekly recipes. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.